workshop session. Hi, my name is Mayra Cardona, a student of BYU Idaho University. I will talk about the topic obesity. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, obesity is the leading cause of mortality and morbidity in the United States. Obesity is estimated 112,000 deaths per year. The healthcare cost of American adults with obesity is about $270 billion a year. My audience is adult Hispanic women aged 18 to 65. In USA, 42.5% of Hispanic women are obese. In California is the fourth state with the lowest 25.1% of obesity. Hispanic women in California have a 31.5% obese and 48.3% are overweight. What is obesity? Obesity is related with fat cells. The fat cells is also called adipose tissue. Excess of adipose tissue can cause overweight and obesity. Fat cells are located around the internal organs, belly, and other parts of the body. Obesity causes type 2 diabetes mellitus, hypertension, heart diseases, fatty liver disease, endometrium cancer, and sleep apnea and other diseases. What to do to avoid obesity? First, know your right weight, be physically active, do different kind of exercise. What is the body mass index? The BMI or body mass index can help you to know what your right weight should be. The BMI can help you to calculate your weight. The BMI divides a person's weight in kilograms and your height in meters. If you weigh more than 30 kilograms, you are considered on the obese category. For example, here you put your feet in inches and your weight. You divide this kilograms by your weight, and then if you have more than 30, you are in this category of obesity. Another thing is avoid being sedentary. Being seated for a long time is a problem. Like, for example, watching TV or using the cell phone for a long time. So we have to avoid this. And we can do different kind of exercise. The CDC recommends at least of 150 minutes of exercise a week. For example, 30 minutes walking for 5 days. So we got 150 minutes. If we do 25 minutes, 3 days, we know it's 75 minutes only, yeah? And high intensity for 2 days a week, like running, swimming, and bicycle. This is so great. But if we want to lose weight, we have to increase the minutes that we do of exercise. Women from rural or urban places can walk. This is a woman here walking. It doesn't matter the age. It's better if we walk. We walk to the store, we walk around, we walk the dog, or we walk with a friend. It's very good to walk. Another thing is running accelerates our heart and make us breathe. So this is very good if we run. And also exercise enhance one's mental health. Being consistent physically will increase the love for exercise, which will help you to your general health. So it means that if you walk or you start running little by little, then you will do it this daily. So thank you for listening. Love yourself and exercise.